Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 56 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is why every day is a new beginning. So let's start. Whenever we wake up in the morning, we see sunrises. So sun brings new opportunity. It doesn't matter what happened yesterday. It doesn't matter what happened will tomorrow. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new opportunity for us. Life is not perfect. Someday we do mistakes, someday we fail, someday we succeed, but we should always move forward because life is not same all day. We should understand from nature, like after every dark night there is sunrise. After every fall of tree leaves there is a new leaf. After every, like that. So we should understand that nature teaches us that every day is a new opportunity, new beginning. For example, imagine some student. Imagine one student who is preparing for competitive exam, and one day he got less marks in mock test. So if he will think of that I have got less marks in mock test yesterday, so I am not having any hope, I have lose hope. So he will destroy his upcoming days. But if he think that yes, if I have got less marks in mock test previously, next I will be I will be working hard so that I will be able to achieve that goal. So whenever we fail or whenever we are facing difficulties in life, we should never hope, because yesterday was that day which has been past, and tomorrow is that day which will be coming and which will be shaping our future. So every day is really a new beginning. It depends on our thought, how we take it as. For example, let us consider two example again. If one girl is Ria and another girl is Seema, and what they decided to wake up early and do yoga, but at first day both felt overslept. They were not able to wake up. But next day Seema decided that yes, I will do the yoga. My previous day was spoiled, but my next day will not be spoiled. On the other hand, Ria does not think about that. She thought that I will start yoga from next month. So this is about mindset, how we prepare our mindset. This is all about that, how we have to make our mindset in a proper way, that if I fail today, I will not destroy my tomorrow, and if I pass today, I will not make enough happiness, I will not be so pleased by myself. So I was thinking about speaking on this topic because it happened to many of us. We all know that we have got life as an opportunity, and every day is an opportunity for us, but we are not following it. If our past is destroyed, we focuses on thinking about past again and again. We are not focusing on present. So that's the very wrong thing that we all are doing in life. Life is not perfect. It's about combination of sadness and happiness, and it deals with and it's depend on us how we treat life. So I will conclude that tomorrow is your future, and yesterday was your past, and today is your present. So please utilize your today so that you will be able to make your life succeed in future, because one who utilized today has achieved the first step of success. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe, share. like, subscribe, share and comment. And that's all for video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.